Next you run go up a Chanel. You understand me? Look a girl end up say she have to go to hospital. I got a doctor yesterday. The girl said she pregnant. And next you left the girl and gone back up a blood clot Chanel like I know people get hey girl stop send me a back a request my girl. How would a girl a man? You think you can deal people girl fitness so? And when you make your mess, me end up having in at the middle of as a mother you got to talk about if I fear responsibility. You know that girl is stubborn though. Let me try to get rid of that girl. You know, because I don't know which girl this. Yeah, but please. You say one thing you not remember, you know, Dragga. You not remember say you have sisters. You have sisters. You remember that you come talk about ignorance. You that you use palm enough blood clot time come talk about ignorance and dunce. See me? You not remember say you have sister. And you not go want nobody treat your blood clot sister them, sir. That me a blood clot tell you youth. You hear me? I tell the woman to take you and stretch your blood clot. Because Chanel a idiot. You understand what I say? Because Chanel see it and knows it. You go tell me, say, Titi, you go up her yard and ball out blood clot and stress out. And you go tell the girls if she dash your belly. That's why your mama blood clot and me there. That's your war. That's your war. You don't know my mouth already. That's how you don't like me. No tell me no business. Right? That's your war. You can't tell girls to go dash your blood clot belly, wicked boy. Move your blood clot and go from your store. You hear me I tell you? You know the day me go find out and make sure say she good. Me I go make sure say she blood clot good. You understand what me I say? What kind of blood clot style that? You want to let a girl up there ball in a blood clot house full of blood clot tears. You don't remember your sister them? You don't remember say your sister man out there go want treat your blood clot sister them certain way. So you go want man treat your sister them good. Eh? And you treat woman girl pitney blood clot bad boy. Hey boy, go away from your son, lift up and move, man. Boy, if I fear responsibility. I fear responsibility. Me go take one, me buy a test this evening and carry up. Me buy a test. You go, boy, yeah, make a girl fool you. Yeah, make a girl fool you. So the girl would have so lie. You understand what I say? I'm feel say a long time, you know, because what they me hear the argument say she pregnant, you know, but she hide it like a Dragga tell her to hide it. Suppose you make the girl go dash her pitney and she can't breathe again. Me say that girl tell me lie, man. Me never talk back to her because I don't like nobody disadvantage people girl pitney. Me I go buy a test and me I go find out for myself. Me I find out for myself. That I'm going to do. You know, I go treat nobody girl pitney so. You're not going to take nobody girl pitney and come park them like one piece of old car after you done blood clot rev them out. You're not going to do it to the blood clot people them girl pitney. You hear me tell you? You're going to talk about if I feel your business. I feel my business from the moment you go there with the people them girl pitney, you go and work, you want to treat them like a shit. Out of order. A Chanel shield come mandingo. A mandingo, you know, you look a man blood clot dingo. Me not hate you. Me not have a problem against you. Me rate you. Me love you same way. But no. If I say go, I go share the mother-in-law. When I go share the mother-in-law. Nothing wrong. No one to this, you know, every second is something I can't make it do. This one. Where is it? Am I mute this? Yeah. Because by need a vitamin, just make you buy the two something first. Relax yourself. So if you get him, man, open with me. I don't know, come on, take care. Buy this first. Yeah, buy it first. know we are going to come off of media too. You hear me, sir? You can't manage the media, you're going to come off of the media.
Him already, I come in and make a video.
In the pan film live and jump up. Live and jump up. So then go on, no, up. Beautiful and everything. You have what you call it? Yeah, what you call it, hotspot?
Yeah.
Hotspot.
Me have to go,
Obviously, come back on. Try give me some hotspot. I don't know why I'm tonight, but you know, come on. Yes, oh, and then it's a few. Oh, get it two of them. By the right, so yeah. Alright, remember, don't buy the pill, buy the 2 something.